Within the range of Legua products, we can find the olive chips. These olive chips will give our food that characteristic flavour that the olive wood gives when we cook. And to show you all, we're going to make a recipe with these chips. We're going to cook and smoke some steak ribs that are going to be delicious. To do so, we're going to use olive oil, cumin, salt and pepper. Once our embers are ready on the barbecue, we'll prepare it to do some indirect cooking. We'll place the wood chips in a bowl with water and we'll leave them soaking for 20 minutes. Then place our ribs on the barbecue, which has been previously heated, and leave them to cook for approximately 1 hour. We'll then add some wood chips to our embers after it's been cooking for around about 15 minutes. When it's been cooking for around about 30 minutes, we'll add some more olive wood chips. When we have our juicy ribs cooked to perfection, we'll cut 2 fairly sized pieces to plate our dish. And we'll add the potato that we had previously cooked before. And we'll add a big lump of butter. This is a perfect way of eating grilled beef ribs with that lovely touch of olive smoke, which will make this dish become something unforgettable.